Welcome, everyone. I'm Sarita Fernandez, Vice President of Product Management for the Avaya Infinity platform. And I'm here with Donna Fluss, who's the CEO and founder of DMG Consulting. Welcome, Donna.
Good afternoon, Sarita. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Yeah. And I'm really excited to have you on this chat today. We've had many conversations, Donna, over about the CCaaS market. And I'm excited to reconnect for today's discussion. So, Donna, the CCaaS market has evolved a bit over the years, and we're at a critical juncture with AI. Can you share some of your thoughts about the future of CCaaS?
Sure, Sarita. It will be my pleasure. And this is really a great question, a wonderful way to begin our discussion of the future of contact center infrastructure just overall, CCaaS, of course, which is a component of it, and Avaya's role in the market going forward. Now, the short answer is that the CCaaS market is strong and it's going to continue to pick up momentum for the foreseeable future. Now, I appreciate, and I have appreciated the same issue for many, many decades, that there are folks who say that AI is going to replace the need for human agents. But that's not exactly what's going to happen, even if it is a goal for many organizations. And it's not going to happen because it doesn't generally have a good outcome for organizations. Now, AI technologies are contributing more to the operating environments, to contact centers, CX organizations, but they're not going to eliminate fully the need for CCaaS or for human agents. Now, my firm does the numbers and projections for the contact center CCaaS and other CX-related markets, and we've been doing this for decades. Now, here's where things currently stand. There are approximately 29 million worldwide CCaaS seats as of the end of 2025. Now, this number is very broad and includes some things which other firms may not necessarily include. So, of course, we include the voice seats, right? Of course, we include the omni-channel voice and digital seats. And in some cases, that's all analyst firms include. We also include the digital seats. And the reason is if you're including an omni-channel voice and digital seats, you should include the digital seats. And there's been tremendous growth in that arena for years and years. We also include what we refer to as basic seats. And these are contact center infrastructure seats that are rolled out in other parts of the organization, often stripped down. Now, there's some other really interesting things to keep in mind with the marketplace, as we talk about some of the numbers. And I think it's really important to base our discussion in facts, not just what we think is going to happen, but really what the numbers are telling us. Now, some other interesting tidbits here. To begin with, the volume of voice calls actually isn't decreasing. It's not increasing at the same rate as it was before, but when I talk to many of the CCaaS vendors, they tell me that the numbers on the voice side are increasing. We also know that the volume of digital interactions is growing at an amazing rate. Alrighty, so basically that's the value proposition. CCaaS is not going away already, but let's get into contact center infrastructure is not going away, and CCaaS isn't either. But let's go a little bit deeper, okay? Because this is where it gets really interesting. We've been following the CCaaS market for a very long time. You and I have been talking about this market for close to 15, 20 years, which is really kind of impressive. And while this market, CCaaS, has been around for 20, 25 years, the adoption rate is only 31.8%. So about 32%, which means that 68% of organizations have yet to adopt CCaaS, even though CCaaS is where most of the innovation is coming from in the contact center infrastructure market. Now, there's lots of reasons for this, but clearly one of the reasons is something that was actually never even meant to be. So one of the challenges for a lot of organizations is that they do not want to go to multi-tenant environments. Now, what's funny about this is that wasn't the original definition. That was just a definition that the market got comfortable with. But without a doubt, some of these organizations are looking for much more flexible deployment models. Now, there's other issues that have kept the adoption slow. But I should also point out, while the adoption has been slow to date, actually the pace of adoption is starting to increase. Now, Sarita, would you like to share some of your thoughts on this really critical issue?
Yeah, absolutely. And thank you for that, Donna. That is a really good explanation. And I agree. It's really important to kind of stick with the facts. So here at Avaya, as you know, we've got some of the largest global brands in the world. So we understand these customers and we know what they're looking for. There's lots of considerations that these large enterprises have to deal with. And what we have seen is there's a cohort of customers and folks that are happy to migrate to the definition of the cloud and definition of CCaaS as where we landed. But we are finding large numbers of customers that are very concerned about security, governance, privacy, and key verticals like some of the financial companies or healthcare. They're not very comfortable moving their infrastructure into the cloud. So we've got that group of customers. There's another group of customers that's also looking for innovation, but they're really, really focused on making sure their voice and all of the mission criticality, the nature of the voice stays mission critical. And so they want to keep some of it on-prem, and then they're okay with taking innovation over the cloud. So you've got that cohort of customers that's okay. They want to operate in a hybrid environment. And then we've got some customers who I think will never move. And they're very comfortable with on-premises. They're okay with it, but they are looking for innovation. So they do want a stack that has a roadmap that offers them all the capabilities that you would want to do and want offered to their end customers in terms of improving customer experience or improving customer engagement. So we've seen all three of these that are playing a role in terms of where Avaya goes with our new platform Infinity. And I think that kind of really reflects what you talk about with the numbers. We're seeing it. And another thing I want to point out is we know large enterprises, there are no two that are alike. And even though they might all want cloud or they might want hybrid, their operational setups have been fine-tuned over the years. So they're looking for a platform that's open and flexible and that can really match up to their operational requirements that have been built over the years and optimized. But at the same time, they want innovation. So I'm totally aligned with you. I do expect, though, as this definition of innovation and contact center capabilities gets broader, we're going to see the adoption really accelerate and grow.
So along those lines, and you and I were talking about this a little bit beforehand. So we also project out in the marketplace, and while you can't see the numbers, here is actually an analysis. And the market, the CCaaS market, again, with a broader definition, we expect to start to really pick up more and more momentum for the next few years. And by 2029, we expect the adoption rate to be close to 60%. But as you pointed out, there are still going to be organizations that do not want to move into the cloud. And I expect this to continue for the foreseeable future. So now, Sarita, given what you just presented here in terms of Avaya's positioning, how does Avaya Infinity fit into the future of CCaaS and CX in general? And specifically, right, let's get right to it. Why should these holdouts migrate to Avaya Infinity?
Yeah, excellent question, Donna. And it's actually really exciting for me to talk about it because we have all kinds of customers. These are you mentioned the largest brands in the world, and their requirements are different. So when we looked at our Infinity platform and what it was going to address in the marketplace, we really wanted to make sure that we could cover the needs of the enterprises. And if they wanted to be in a cloud environment, we have an offer for them. If they want to stay hybrid, then we wanted to make sure we could meet their needs. And if they wanted a deployment model that stays on-prem, but with a very supportive roadmap, we wanted to be able to support that. So our Infinity platform is designed very importantly to support any deployment model. So, but again, I want to talk also about the operational considerations. Our platform is designed to be open. It's API first, and it's also designed with the needs of the enterprise in mind. So we've got the deployment flexibility, but it's very important for these enterprises to make sure they've got reliability, they've got scale, and at the same time, the platform is open enough to support whatever integrations, et cetera, that they need to support. The other thing that we have a good understanding of, and this goes to your question about the holdouts, they have these fine-tuned operational environments. The way we've set up our platform, we've got the orchestration layer, we've got the openness with our services on the platform, and then we've got the bulletproof enterprise reliability and scalability that we're building ground up at the platform, plus the flexibility of the deployment models. So when we go in and we talk to our customers that are the holdouts, and we present to them the flexibility of deployment, but also having the understanding of, I've got all of these third-party applications that I built integrations to over the years. We have the ability, and our platform is designed with the options that allow backward compatibility to some of these integrations, and then also to partake with the new innovation that comes with the Infinity platform. So we've designed our Infinity platform to have that flexibility, but also to ensure that as they move to whatever deployment model they select, they are not disrupted. It's not a completely rip and replace. So these are the considerations that our customers, when they hear about the story about and the narrative around Infinity and what we are delivering the roadmap, they are really excited about. And it's resonating pretty well with the folks that were kind of on the fence about whether they should move or not.
Yeah, that's interesting. So what you're pointing out, what I hear you saying is that key to success is openness, compatibility from an integration perspective, and overall flexibility. So let's go a little bit deeper already. There are today 200 to 300 CCaaS vendors. I mean, without missing a beat, I can just spew 100 names, right? And each of these companies actually have lots and lots of seats. So in this highly complex and highly competitive environment, can you go deeper in terms of what differentiates Avaya from the rest of the CCaaS providers? Why should they pick Avaya Infinity?
Yeah, it goes back to the way we've looked at the market, and we've really understood the different cohorts that exist out there. And Infinity is designed to provide a consistency in terms of what we offer to customers on innovation, openness, flexibility. We meet customers where they are. On top of that, we have the understanding, and with our flexibility of the platform, we can support their operational needs. So if to really net it out, the reason that we're differentiated in the market is we're not just saying, you know what, we've only got a solution that's multi-tenanted. That's not what we're saying. We're saying that if you want to go to the cloud and you need a cloud option, we actually have the ability to give you the completely modern stack. If you need backward compatibility within the cloud, we can also support that in our cloud environment. If you want to go in a hybrid environment, keep some of your deployments on premises, and you want workflow and you want AI, et cetera, to be in the cloud, we have that kind of a deployment model as well. And then, which is also supported on Infinity. And then the third one is if you want to stay on premises, and that's where you see your journey. We also have our Infinity stack that's going to support the on-premises deployment. And when you go across these three, you are going to get an open platform. You will have, the other thing I want to point out is also how we're addressing AI. We have our partnership with Databricks. Databricks, right out of the gate, allows you to provide enterprise scale AI capabilities. We're going to be leveraging the Databricks platform on Infinity. So right from day one, we're building this platform for enterprise needs. So it's the deployment flexibility, it is the openness, plus the fact that from day one, the Infinity platform is designed for the enterprise. Scale is a big part of what we look at when we look at the roadmap. And plus all the capabilities that we have with AI, et cetera, we're building it for the enterprise. So it's not just going to support a few transactions. It's going to be an open platform. If a large enterprise wants to bring their own LLM, we have the capability to do that. So right from day one, it's enterprise scale. When we look at our agentic capabilities, when we look at transactions and things that you want to bring to the platform, we're very, very, very supportive of the bring your own setup. So this is really when you talk about differentiation in the marketplace, it's deployment flexibility, innovation, meeting customers where they are, and then the fact that the openness and the reliability and the scale is really built for the enterprise. So that's really what differentiates Avaya and the Infinity platform from the rest. So Donna, here's an issue we're all hearing a great deal about. We're in the era of AI. So from your point of view, do you think that CCaaS will still be needed in 5 years? What are your thoughts there?
Well, that's a question that a lot of people are asking in the marketplace. And the short answer, Sarita, is yes. We're going to need CCaaS today. We're going to need CCaaS 5 years from now. And we're going to need CCaaS or contact center infrastructure, because I think the name needs to change actually, in 10 years from now, because of what it is contact center infrastructure solutions are able to do. And we've never seen solutions that have these kind of scalability, right? These are amazing applications that add a lot of value to organizations. Now, there are many situations, some of which we've all read about in papers, where companies have tried to eliminate their contact center infrastructure solutions. They tried to eliminate their live agents, and it didn't work out so well for them. But there's a lot more to the story. You know, you were talking about a lot of the AI capabilities that Avaya is bringing to market, right? So again, phenomenal what's going on within the marketplace, right? November 2022, OpenAI comes to market with ChatGPT, and the world changes. And what was funny about that is generative AI wasn't new. It was just basically brought to everyone's attention. And since then, the pace of innovation has been just phenomenal, right? We're seeing huge innovation in the area of conversational AI, which is automating more and more of our interactions. Now, a critical piece of what's happening in the marketplace is something that you also mentioned, which is the AI orchestration layer. And that is a necessary technology component in any complex contact center environment, right? So these are very, very sophisticated environments. They can have anywhere from 45 to 50 different applications. And it's not possible for a human being to truly optimize the performance of all those and still allow the organization to do what it needs to do. Now, let me give you an example. And this is something that you and I really have been literally drilling into for 15 years, right? So you may recall that I'm forever talking about a concept called real-time adaptive intelligent routing, right? And that's where AI looks at and touches every single interaction that's coming into a contact center. Keep in mind, some of these environments, some of your environments can be taking close to a million interactions per day. So you're talking about a lot of activity, right? But the idea behind this is that adaptive real-time intelligent routing will take over, and instead of using skill-based routing, will intelligently route whatever the interaction is to the appropriate agent. May it be a self-service solution, CAI solution, may it be a human agent, may it be a subject matter expert, right? So that's taking the whole routing concept to a new level. But then what happens with WFM? Do you still need WFM? Because essentially that intelligent AI-based routing engine appears to be negating its benefits, but it's not so simple, right? So you need a whole combination of technology in order to optimize these operating environments. Now, I was talking to somebody a couple weeks ago, and he pointed out something that I thought was really a lot of fun. Since it was holiday time, what he pointed out is that we like to put up our pretty ornaments, but they have to hang on something, right? So you need a Christmas tree. It doesn't have to be a live tree. It could be a fake tree. There are advantages to both, right? But you still need that tree. And so organizations need to have the infrastructure upon which that AI orchestration layer, which is then going to essentially be the puppeteer for this entire complex operating environment to sit. Now, just to have a little bit more fun, this was something I was mentioning before the conversation. I was at Gartner back in 97 when CRM first came out. And CRM is an amazing area and very complementary to contact center infrastructure. And there was literally one vendor, very important vendor, literally they were pounding their chest and saying, oh, we're going to replace the need for contact center infrastructure solutions, right? The solutions that bring the interactions in and out. Well, the reality is they couldn't do it then. They couldn't even integrate because, right, contact center infrastructure is totally about openness and integration and scalability. So CRM solutions were, turned into being very effective for managing relationships. But no matter what has changed over the years, there's still a need for that infrastructure to bring in these massive, to bring in and out the massive amount of volumes. So AI is welcome and necessary, but it's not a replacement for contact center infrastructure. It's a complement to it. Now, Sarita, what are your thoughts on this one?
Yeah, we're very aligned on the needs of the agents, and it's going to continue to be there. As we deploy AI on our platform, and you've probably seen in the public domain, we announced the leveraging and the MCP on our platform and our relationship with Databricks. So we're definitely embracing AI and embedding it across the platform. But at the same time, we know that the need for the agent's not going away. So where we're seeing AI being implemented is definitely on self-service and making that a lot more efficient, supporting the agent as they talk to customers. But you still, as we talk to very large brands, they're still looking for the need for the human in the loop, even with a lot of AI and a lot of the generative AI with LLM. So there's still the need for the human in the loop, and that will evolve over time. But I think at the end of the day, some of the repetitive and the very intelligent, complex conversations may be able to be handled by AI, but the high touch, urgent, those kinds of interactions, there's still going to be the need for the human agent. And I agree with you. I think this broader definition of CCaaS, as we see it evolve, is going to have a mix of both AI, autonomous agents, the agentic AI piece, but also the need for human agents. It's actually very exciting. And I'm really here for the ride to see where we end up, and it's accelerating at such a quick pace. So yeah, I'm so excited to have had this opportunity, Donna, to talk with you. Do you have some final thoughts on what you would like to share both with us and also maybe some advice for enterprises as they look into the future?
Thank you, Sarita. That's a great question. Now, the short answer is that CCaaS solutions are needed today, although the definition of CCaaS is going to be greatly expanded to incorporate many different types of deployment models. We're going to need CCaaS 5 years from now, and we're going to need CCaaS 10 years from now. And with each passing year, there's going to be a tremendous amount of innovation in these solutions. And the innovation is, of course, going to be driven by AI, artificial intelligence. Now, what's happening in the world of artificial intelligence is nothing short of phenomenal. And when we combine the processing power of CCaaS, also known as contact center infrastructure, with AI, what we're going to have is going to be nothing short of phenomenal.
Well, thank you, Donna. I think this has been a really exciting chat. Thank you for your time. And also, thank you for everyone who is listening in. And have a great holiday, Donna.
You too. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you.